we're soliciting more help again. She is very adamant about wanting a dog.
I do want a dog.
We're getting older. I don't want another dog. I don't want that kind of commitment. She is constantly wanting a dog. Drives me crazy.
There are so many reasons. You know, besides the obvious, you know, of course, the companionship. I work from home now. I can be at home with the dog all day long.
Yeah, I know that, and I get that, but I get that. But you know what comes with a dog? Poop, and you can't walk out in the yard. There's poop everywhere. Dog hair, they shed everywhere.
I garden, and I'm constantly fighting the squirrels. I love them. I don't want to kill them, but I just want them out of my tomatoes. That's
true.
all I want.
That would be.
And a dog would help keep the squirrels at
I
bay.
agree with that completely. We've literally had, she feeds the birds in gardens, and we've had 12 squirrels under our deck. We walk out and scatter. So yeah, that I get that. But the thing with a dog, you don't own a dog. The dog owns you. That's how that works. It comes with medical vet bills. You can't go anywhere on vacation. You have to get somebody a dog set. You get up when it wants you to get up. You let it out. You let it in when it wants to come in.
I think you adopt each other. It's like any other family member. Yes, you make concessions for the dog, and they learn to make concessions for you. You know, you might go on vacation. You might leave them with a friend. I've got a friend who will always dog sit for us, and we have children. I'm sure they would be more than willing to dog sit for a cute little dog.
What have I always said? What have I said? We put.
I don't want to repeat what you've always said. It's horrible.
I've said any animal that comes in the house is going in the oven.
That's horrible.
Chicken, lamb, beef. That's what I'm referring to. It's joking. I've got to go to the bathroom. Just 1 second.
Now I get to keep him, right? This is
Yes.
not.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. We are gonna be best friends. Look. Oh.
You have to name him now. You got to give him a name, and
I'm gonna have to think about this. I do like his mask. Look at his mask.
you realize that was the last thing. My only holdout. I didn't want to get a dog, and now you get a dog.
Thank you. He does love me.
Yes.